So, while they're drying, I got my handy dandy vacuum cleaner. I'm gonna go and take this outside to vacuum clean the car out. You all know, vacuum clean the car. Yes, gonna go take this outside to vacuum clean the vehicle after I get done cleaning. You all, this thing's gonna come in handy. Like, I'm not even playing how good this thing's gonna come in handy. But let's take my handy dandy vacuum cleaner, and this thing I will have it linked down below. I'm also gonna take this with me so I can get the cracks of the seats. So let's go do this. I'm hoping my car wipes are outside and Boy didn't take them with him for his boat back. I don't know. We shall see. This is a paper wheel. I got the Daisy and socks spaded. Talking about socks, there she is. You want me turning her around? Right there she is. She's like that. She's doing like that cinnamon. There's socks like that. And then there's Wednesday. And then there's with Petey. Daisy's here somewhere. Daisy's here somewhere. Are you? Oh, and Theodore is back there. Are you back there cleaning?
No. I'm not back here. They having me say.
Oh, okay.
Oh, okay.
You are. I need to put, is that, oh, that's her lady thingy. Well, I got her lady's done.
Hey, Mom.
Oh, I need that. I need that. This
was the towel. So, this was the towel. Mommy, this was the towel. A towel. And this is the towel.
Yeah.
This was my Zoe. And this one is mine.
Okay.
And this one's what's on the window? What's on the window?
Y'all, I thought I was filming, but I wasn't. Don't forget your basket. Make it easier to take stuff in.
Not us.
To take stuff in that needs to go in. Don't forget that. Okay. Look smarter, not harder. What I try to do most of the time, but most of the time I just make my life more harder.
Trust.
Most of the time I just make my life more harder, but you never know.
Trust.
Okay, give me 1 second. I'm going to vacuum clean this up here, okay? Let me have it. So, got my handy dandy vacuum cleaner here.
Yes.
Give me, Theo, give me a second.
Oh no.
I'm going to vacuum clean real quickly.